How do you use your iPad as a second display with Sidecar? Imagine turning your iPad into an extra screen for your Mac without needing any complicated setup. That's what Apple's Sidecar feature makes possible within the macOS ecosystem. It's a smart way to boost your productivity and creativity by adding more space and interaction options. To get started, your Mac needs to run macOS Catalina or later. Supported models include MacBook Pro from 2016 onward and iMac from 2017 onward. Your iPad should be running iPadOS 13 or newer, and it can be any recent model like an iPad, iPad mini, iPad Air, or iPad Pro. Both devices must be signed into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Next, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on both devices. Handoff must also be active in the settings. For wireless use, keep the devices within about 10 meters or 30 feet of each other and avoid sharing internet connections. You can also connect your iPad to the Mac with a USB-C or Lightning cable for a more stable connection and to charge your iPad at the same time. Once your devices are ready, open System Preferences or System Settings on your Mac. On macOS Ventura or later, go to Displays in System Settings and select your iPad from the list. If you're using macOS Monterey or earlier, find Sidecar in System Preferences. You can also click the AirPlay icon or Control Center on your Mac's menu bar, then choose your iPad from the options. You can customize how Sidecar works. For example, you can choose whether the sidebar appears on the left or right side of your iPad screen. The sidebar gives quick access to functions like undo, copy, paste, and more. If your Mac doesn't have a physical touch bar, you can choose to show a touch bar on your iPad instead. If you have the second-generation Apple Pencil, you can enable double-tap actions to perform specific tasks within supported apps. Once connected, your iPad acts as an extension of your Mac screen. You can drag windows and apps between the two displays easily. Touch input on the iPad allows you to interact directly with your Mac apps, which is especially helpful for creative work like drawing or photo editing. You can also use the iPad to display tool palettes or different parts of the same app, giving you more room to work. Sidecar is a perfect example of how Apple's continuity features work seamlessly to connect devices. It combines wireless connectivity with touch and Apple Pencil support, making it ideal for creative professionals or anyone who wants more flexible workspace options. This feature is simple to set up but powerful in how it enhances your overall workflow within the Apple ecosystem.